Hello and welcome, car and motorcycle enthusiasts. If you're passionate about the roar of engines, the beauty of design, and the thrill of speed, then you've just found the perfect channel. Here we bring you the latest updates on cars and bikes, detailed reviews, exciting features, and everything an auto fan loves. We don't just talk about vehicles. We dive deep into performance, design, history, and future innovations of the automotive world. Whether you're a car lover, a motorcycle rider, or simply curious about the latest trends, this is your community. So, if you enjoy exploring the world of cars and motorcycles as much as we do, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. Join our growing family of enthusiasts and never miss an update. Let's take this exciting ride together. Let's take a ride back in time and explore the legendary history of Harley-Davidson, one of the most iconic motorcycle brands in the world. It all began in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, in the early 1900s. William S. Harley and his childhood friend, Arthur Davidson, shared a dream: to build a motor-powered bicycle that could go faster and farther than anything of its time. In 1903, in a small wooden shed, they built their very first prototype. That humble beginning marked the birth of Harley-Davidson. By 1904, the very first Harley was entered in a motorcycle race at the State Fair Park in Milwaukee, and it didn't take long before riders and fans noticed the brand's strength and reliability. In 1907, Harley-Davidson Motor Company was officially incorporated, and production quickly grew from a few bikes a year to hundreds. During World War I and later World War II, Harley-Davidson supplied thousands of motorcycles to the U.S. military. These bikes weren't just machines. They became symbols of American strength, freedom, and resilience. By the mid-20th century, Harley-Davidson had already become a cultural icon, loved by soldiers, racers, and everyday riders alike. The brand's reputation grew even more in the post-war era, when returning veterans embraced Harley motorcycles as symbols of independence and rebellion. Hollywood movies and biker clubs helped shape the Harley image we know today: tough, free-spirited, and deeply American. Over the decades, Harley-Davidson has faced challenges, from economic downturns to fierce competition. Yet, it has always adapted while staying true to its core identity, building powerful, stylish motorcycles that deliver not just a ride, but an experience. Today, Harley-Davidson is more than just a motorcycle company. It's a global legend, a lifestyle, and a symbol of freedom on two wheels. From the rumble of its signature V-twin engines to the timeless design of its cruisers, Harley continues to inspire riders all around the world. When we talk about Harley-Davidson, most people think of style, sound, and heritage. But Harley is also about real performance. Let's break it down. Under the hood, or rather, under the tank, modern Harley cruisers are powered by the Milwaukee 8 engines, available in different displacements like 114 and 117 cubic inches. These engines are classic 45-degree V-twins, designed to deliver that signature Harley rumble while producing serious power. On average, they push out around 95 to 115 horsepower and anywhere between 120 to 130 pound-feet of torque. That torque delivery is immediate, giving riders a strong low-end punch, perfect for both city cruising and open-road overtakes. Now let's talk acceleration. While Harleys aren't built to be track monsters, some models surprise riders with impressive numbers. Performance-oriented Harleys, like the Sportster S, can go from 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in about 3.5 to 3.6 seconds. Other bigger touring machines are a bit slower, but they make up for it with unmatched highway comfort and long-distance stability. And yes, there are even Harley models that have been tuned to hit 0 to 60 in as quick as 2.5 seconds, showing just how far Harley can push performance. As for the transmission, most modern Harleys come with a 6-speed manual gearbox. The gearing is tuned for strong acceleration in the lower gears, while maintaining smooth, relaxed highway cruising in the higher gears. An assist and slip clutch system reduces clutch effort and makes shifting easier, especially in traffic. Fuel consumption is always a key question. Despite their large engines, Harleys can be surprisingly efficient for their size. Many models average around 40 to 45 miles per gallon. That's roughly 5 to 6 liters per 100 kilometers, depending on how aggressively you ride. Of course, higher performance engines or heavy touring bikes will burn a bit more fuel, but Harley has worked hard to balance power and efficiency. So what makes Harley performance unique? It's not just about chasing top speed. It's about low-end torque, smooth power delivery, and that unforgettable riding experience. Every twist of the throttle gives you that signature Harley roar, backed by engines that are as reliable as they are powerful. In short, Harley-Davidson performance is all about blending tradition with modern engineering, giving riders both the emotional thrill and the technical strength that make Harley more than just a motorcycle, but a way of life. In 2025, Harley-Davidson motorcycles vary in price depending on the model and features. Entry-level models, around $12,000 to $15,000. Mid-range models, around $15,000, $25,000. High-performance and touring models, around $25,000 to $45,000. For example, the 2025 Nightster starts at approximately $9,999, making it a more accessible option for new riders. Key competitors. Harley-Davidson faces competition from several major brands in the motorcycle industry. Indian Motorcycles, Polaris Industries, Honda, Yamaha, BMW, Motorrad, Kawasaki, Triumph. Despite strong competition, Harley-Davidson maintains a unique market presence due to its iconic brand and loyal customer base. Popularity around the world. Harley-Davidson enjoys varying popularity in different regions. Europe, significant growth, with some markets showing 15% year-over-year increase. India, explosive growth, sometimes exceeding 135% increase in registrations. United States, still the core market with strong brand loyalty and large annual sales. The most popular models in 2025 include Street Glide, Glide, Road Glide, Lowrider S, Fat Boy, and Pan America 1250 ST, appealing to both cruiser enthusiasts and adventure riders. Financial snapshot, 2025 first half. Harley-Davidson's financials show resilience despite market challenges. Revenue, $5.19 billion. Net income, $455 million. Earnings per share, 1.93 cent. Price to earnings, PE ratio, 13.73. These numbers reflect Harley's ability to stay competitive while maintaining a premium brand image. Thanks so much for riding along with us today, my friends. If you enjoyed learning about the history, performance, and market insights of Harley-Davidson, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of car and motorcycle enthusiasts. We've got even more exciting videos coming your way, from legendary classics to the newest models hitting the road. Don't miss out. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends who love the thrill of the ride. Until next time, stay safe, enjoy the journey, and I'll see you in the next video.